it's Tanya. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. What I'm doing today is I want to finish this little file folder journal that I'm going to keep fall recipes in, all right? And what I do is I have this paper that I picked up from Temu, and I'm going to be putting it on here. Then I also have these little ruled index cards from Pen & Gear from Walmart. These are the 3x5, all right? And I'll probably be using some of these little stickers. I picked them up at Hobby Lobby. And then I'm going to be using this set of dies that I picked up from Temu as well. And I love these. I think they're really cute. So I'll probably use that. And then to bind the little journal, well, it's already bound, but to cover it, I'm going to be using this. I got this at Hobby Lobby. It's the Ribbon Boutique. It was $3.99, and it's silk-like cut edge ribbon. And then I'll probably use this Eileen's super thick tacky glue. Picked it up at Hobby Lobby for $2.99, okay? And then to adhere these pages, I'll probably just use my permanent Scotch stick glue. You could use the art glitter glue or whatever that you want. All right, so what I want to do to figure, this is what I want to go on this first page, and I've already distressed it with my vintage photo, and I think that's what I'm going to be doing to this really pretty fall cardstock for my journal as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to flip this over about like this. I'm going to take these pages out because that's how I wanted them in my book, okay? And all I'm going to do is just trace around this. Get it where I want it. And then just trace around this. Sorry you can't see, but if it flips over, then I lose my spot. But you can see this is very easy to do. Okay, so now all I'm going to do is just cut this out. I have these Tim Holtz little shears. I really do like them. You could use your paper trimmer to cut these straight edges if you want, but I'm just going to use this. Okay. So this should match, and it does. Now I think I'm going to take it down just a little bit because I don't want it to be, I want it to be a little shorter, okay? So I'm going to come in here and just cut a little bit more off of this. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm going to take some off this back with my paper cutter. Okay, and I just need to round this a little better. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I'm just going to distress this with my vintage photo. All right. Now what I'm going to do is glue this down using my glue stick. And I'm just going to pull this in here to glue this on with. Sometimes I think it's quicker. And it gives you a little bit more forgiveness. I might need that. Okay. I like how that is. Now I took this smaller pumpkin and I got in this paper. Okay, now what I did to cut the pumpkin out, I used this Recollections paper from Michaels. It was on a deep clearance, and I picked it up because to me it had a lot of fall colors in this pack. And I cut this pumpkin. I think he's really cute. Now you can not put the pumpkin on, or you can put the pumpkin on. I want to put the pumpkin on, so, but it's totally up to you what you do. I'm going to go ahead and distress this because I think it adds so much. I'm trying to get better about remembering to distress as I go. This just looks so delicate. I really do love this little die. I just want this little journal to be really sweet. And I can just keep it in my purse. If I go to someone's house and they have a recipe I like, I can get it and just pop it in here. Or you don't have to use it for that. You could just keep anything in it. Okay, and I'm going to put this right here. All right, press down all my little edges. And I think that is really cute, okay? Now, same principle. I won't have you watch me, but I'm going to just trace around this to get my inside. I want this on this one, and I want this on this one. All right, I went ahead and glued everything in my pages. Now, I got this page up a little high, this one right here, so I'll go back later and trim that off. But now this paper, I was about 2, maybe 3 pieces short, so I just put some of that paper in there, and I really like it. I think it looks really cute. Now, you could make pockets in this coordinating paper if you wanted to put your recipes in, but this is how this is turning out so far. Now I do have some pockets where I thought I would take some of these index cards. You could either just glue them on here once you get your recipe, or you could slip them down in here and you can see they hide. I would distress them, and then I thought that I would also add some of these little pumpkins on there. It would make it look real festive. But like I said, you could also just put a pocket and slip them right in there. I think that would be really cute. You could make a lot of different things like that. I don't know what I want to do, to be totally honest. And this is how I finished the back off. I think it's really sweet. But if you wanted, you could also just use this as a junk journal. I was going to put this on the spine, and then I have some really pretty cream color as well. and I was going to attach it with that thick tacky glue and put it on there about like that. But I don't know. Sometimes I think I like it, and sometimes I might go ahead and do it. And I'll just go ahead and put one little recipe card here. But you get 2 sheets of these really pretty clear stickers. Okay. But I thought it would be really cute to like put this right there like that. Then distress the card, or you could even fold paper, sheets of paper, and put it in there. And then you could, like I said, slip it in these pockets that I've saved. Some of them, they will fit right down like that. Some of them, they will go in like that. It just depends. Or, like I said, you could make those little pockets and have them right in there like that. I may go back and make a pocket. I think I'll make one just to give you an idea of what that would look like. And you could make the traditional pockets like a junk journal has. I'm just going to do it like this. Then go ahead and distress the edges like this. Then I'm going to get my Scotch glue out. And you could also like make a pocket here and then put a different color paper and make another pocket. So you could do double pockets if you wanted. Okay, I'm just going to make a pocket out of this. You could do the traditional pockets like I make with my journals if you want, but I want something a little different for this one. I'm kind of liking the simpler ones. And we're just going to put a little bit of glue stick on here. You could also, if you wanted, double up your pocket. Only glue down the bottom and up the sides, okay? I wiped mine off and give it a little push. Then you can put your recipe right in there. I think that's cute. So I hope that gave you some ideas. Now I don't know, I'm still on the fence about whether to try to put this on. Sometimes I think it looks more finished like this, and then sometimes, I don't know, we'll try it. Okay, you definitely don't have to put anything on here because I think this is really cute, just like it is. All right, I think I'm going to try to put my bind on my little, this on here. You wouldn't have to. I think this is adorable. So let's see how much I'm gonna need. I may cut it a little longer and then cut it off. You could even add charms to this if you wanted. I don't even think I got that straight. This will stretch. Okay. All right, I'm going to get my Aleene's super thick tacky glue. You could definitely do the lighter if you wanted. I'm going to take a brush. I just have this one. Doesn't really matter. Just going to brush it on here. I've never tried this. So it may be a gigantic fail. It may work. We'll see. Then I'm going to put this on here in like the center, or as close to the center as I can get it. This should, when it dries, if I have enough on here, it should still be very bendable. It should give with the book spine. But I may not have put enough on there. And then when it's dry, all you have to do is just come in there and trim that off. I think I needed a little bit more. I probably should have put it on the spine of my book. Next time, that's what I'll do first. And you can pull it over. I should have pulled mine over better. I'm just going to cut this. And I'll put some more glue. okay, but you can see what that will do. It will bend. Next time I would put it on the spine and on this. I would use a different brush, and I would pull this a lot more taut and make sure that I had it even, okay? But this was my first time doing it, and I wanted to show you what you can do. But it's very malleable, and as you can see, this book is so cute. If you wanted, like I said, you could just have it as a junk journal, or you can, I still need to go back and cut that. But I think this little recipe idea is so cute. If you enjoyed this video, I really would appreciate it if you would like, share, and comment. It really helps the channel. But I think this is really cute. Like I said, not bad for my first time using this. Like I said, I would pull this more taut, make sure it was even. I would put it on the spine first. But I love it. As you can see, it bends quite well with the book. And you can, like I said, put your recipes in here. So, until next time, stay crafty.